Super 5 Series.
Zani natana ano number .2 diturin fight kan trando nga tsuimain kan official duty to te. Judge number 1 Zach Shiva Lama. Judge number 2 Mizo Sanga. Judge number 3 Chongming Muana. Referee Lalsan Himan Hamte. The 14th bout for this event is from the super lightweight division. Are we ready? I can't hear you. Once again, are we ready? Introducing first from Vanlalawmpuia, Punjab, fighting out of the blue corner. Please welcome Maninder Singh. And his opponent from Mizoram, the animal, red corner, Vanlalawmpuia.
Mizoram kalsanin Atiang son sayan rel sele Lam lianan sial sausen Mizoram driver tiksan puatu silai to Nek ngai sain kong chia min pe Minister ten driver Lalainan klokum Mire teisuan mansele Lalainan swarsti.
Ladies and gentlemen, this fight is for the super lightweight division. Standing on my left, at 22 years of age and standing 173.7 centimeter, weighing 63.503 kilogram, from Vanlalawmpuia, Punjab, blue corner, Maninder Singh. And standing on my right, he is from Aizawl, Mizoram, 28 years of age, standing at 176 centimeter, with a professional records of 13 wins, 3 losses and 1 draw, 8 knockouts, 65.503 kilogram, red corner, Vanlalawmpuia.
No headbutt, no backside, no below the belt, no holding. You protect yourself at all time. Obey my command at all time. All the best.
This is the second last bout of the of tonight, and the blue corner Maninder Singh is coming from Punjab, Barnala, super lightweight division, and 63.50 kilogram and 22 years
Round
of age.
1.
His height is 173.7 centimeter, and his professional record is 4 wins, 3 losses, 1 draw. and 3 knockouts. And his wrist is 176 centimeter and handstands is orthodox. And the red corner, Vanlalawmpuia, is nicknamed the Animal. He's coming from Mizoram, Mizo, super lightweight division, 63 kg, and he is 28 years of age, and he says 176 centimeter. His professional career, 13 win, 3 losses, 1 draw, and 8 knockouts. His wrist is 176 centimeter, and his stance is orthodox.
Oh, game ah, lut chun zom vele taila. Alandan ay chuanin opian atidan ngain alanor bet bay.
Tuna Alandan ay son opitan hian harsan na umlaw turang ngayon niya.
Amaro chu oh.
An experience atang chuan. Chuti rol chuan kan sei 14 boxing chu dang lam thleng thut om thei niya. We kha din nek fu wanga buai chia wa kha om thei ni am ye wangin. Opitan po hian lo nge nu thuri zom lu tu kha rem big lawani.
Maninder Singh hi boxer chia ani lo. Professional fighter ni tur hian boxer. Soft mai tan om lo. Chu wangson opiam ha chon tur hi chon atha tangai ni.
A huai ve le ngai. A ti ve fe ngai. Opi hi mi lulul mi huai sen kan tiang chi khania. Enge an ne lo turang ai po nor ngar chi ni.
Mi singa du tok lo the animal. Tien tingat khania mo. Chu wangsonin anep thelo sim. Tuna Alandan hi chuanin opi hen anor bet mega knockout hi atum khopin alanga amaro chu game anin zir chianga film khuranga profe kan soi tawang khat Mizo ina profe kan tiang chi khani wangin
prophet kan Mizo tong kan prophet kan tok mai a professional vati te chiam ko ngai san lo a prophet to pani confidence te kan vati chiam china a confidence chuna tok veo lo tro
ni chu ti rol chuanin opi hen overconfidence kan tiang chi kha anengem oti te po chu a hlo om ve a chan chu atum pui pa hi Maninder Singh ani tat mo professional experience lo nei to ni tat chu wang chuanin a film khurangai
kan selong nga April tha khan alung leya HPC Cup professional boxing hi oma OP hi just small trip ani atum pui pakhari nine sokolo proof si knockout thei si lo kha aron round ni na vera tang aron norlet khan aron fit mai sia kha tiang kha thleng ve thei tho ni
ni mu no mani
round na wa zo ma ve
a zo der mai
okay kan lo share tong khan ni chin khan Grassroot Boxing Promotions founder le co-founder anu pain Mr. Kamal and Mrs. Kamal tenu pa khan message an neya zo kan share sok lenga kan share sek ani point milo sathia mula an mani roman meo sia chuan zo kan share angai ni ai hi Mustafa Kamal founder Grassroot Boxing Promotion message ania Mizo puidetan a message ani. Our goal has always been to create all opportunities for boxers who came from the dedications, not privilege. Mizoram has consistently shown exceptional promise at the grassroots level.
Seconds out.
Producing skills and disciplined fighters like Lalin Sanga, Zoram Sana, and Vanlalawmpuia. We have seen the first-hand and raw talent and determination that exists
Round
here.
2.
We know that with the right support, exposure, and opportunity, Mizoram can produce many more stars who will represent in India on a bigger stage. Our aim is simple: to give these boxers to platform they deserve and to help Mizoram become a key hub for professional boxing in the history. This is a message for Mustafa Kamal, founder Grassroot Boxing Promotions.
Game alu le phat mai teng eng po ni se tuna Landana hi chuanin opi hian anor de uzokina langa amaro chu kan soi tawang khanin atum pui pa hi Maninder Singh ani professional
Voi li lai lo chak to tat lom tro
adin mun sim po hi voi som pathum sorry
voi li lai chak to voi li lai chak to ni
voi thum chak lowa voi khathi draw ne ya voi thum knockout
achak voi li tang voi thum knockout nei the ni ya
a chemi
boxer chia ni thei lo
chu wang chuanin Punjab boxer a po a chaber pol anti khani tlat chuwang chuanin OP hen nam nul mai chian ni lo tual zola thal ve thei tlat mo a hriat mi alo
ho ma hian an let tual thei nia
Mizo mi puita ma hen a let thei tlat a hriat lo amara chu tun din mona chon OP anor tu zo kala tonga engtin nge ati zel don clear zela
muang rui to maya chu ti rol chuan an muang ka ti rol hian an nek ero na tel nei professional a chuan
amuang ang kan lang kan mu hi arang ani mo
muang in lang ma se amuang lo ani
amuang lo ani muang in lang ma se amuang lo
adik chia anin nor ngat maya anek ponin nek suak nem viau mai to round ni na chawla ni ya
Mandir hen buai tum reng lo opian nor eng ang po ni se buai tum reng lo a professional boxer ani na kha alantir ni na lang tat tuna din huna chuanin chak tur zok sia thiam le harani
Opia red corner the animal animal ani em tipokan mudon ni sai na hian animal ti khan
animal kha Mandir Singha laka hian animal lo ve theitlat mo
veng khat sakai po hi veng danga chuan ke te te lo ni mai mai theya ka tiang ve kha ni theitlat animal ani lo theitlat opi zai na hian
tuna landana kha chuanin aparkat khanin opi khanin Mandir kha an kat zau ni khana langa en chun som selang mu no yang round ni na zo le der mai
round ni na zo te der mai round thum na kan bak le ta
tuna en lo chuanin kamal te kha kan han soya rani kumal comment na hi han soi velesh mi la mate
rani kamal mujaba kamal nupui khania ani hi co-founder Grassroot Boxing Promotion niya. Ani han message ni bokan share lenge. Kan ta thiam velo pon soifia dan depo karon ngai to donia. We have seen huge potential in Mizoram boxers. Of course, we cannot take every fighter outside the state until they reach a certain level or build their records. So we decide to bring opportunity to their home instead. We truly love the ambience, energy, passion the people of Mizoram have for boxing. They deserve bigger, better, and many professional shows, and we're bringing international standard even in right for them. Rani kamanin say omzia berchukan thathiam chum thonga chuti rwal chuan Mizoram chunga hian boxer te singa hian theina nei tam tak kan hmuwa ama ero chu enge anmani records thatak anni lo chuan state one hen shoi ngotte hanin kalcho pui ngote a har sadawangin helai huna hian kanon nei chil thin cheu ni atini an tilong masin ni hian
ni ateron promote
kan hun nge ya miron nei china promotion professional boxing miron nei chil thina Mizo boxer te anon ngai pe mo ema ton di huna chon India pon china professional son boxer nei thaber te singami kan ni reng boka an ron
panchil
tham bok ani ve to bok lo le heng hi abul tran na ber pakhat chu LPS pro fight ni
kan
soilo thel LPS pro fight wanga thleng ve kani pusoma pusoma na tho le angai to na azar ania LPS director pusoma kan fak lo thei lo ni
gema lut chon zom le taila tuna hian opian anor le meka chuti rual chuanin kan hmuwa kan hriat angkian Mandir Singh hian zamatum reng lo zamatum re lo nuai mi hi tum ni ber hin langa alanda na hi chuanin chuti rol chun OP point ati lei theilo ni de uhin alanga
OP point du tu sam chuna nek big mi alo
ni zola ma ni se mo
ni
an fit to tat professional boxer ani to tat chu wang chuanin zamatum re lo
professional boxing ani to chuan danglam hi omani
ni
an sei to thin ang khan amateur te ne na helaya a state level kan ti te mo national level kan ti te ai hian professional ni chon a danglam big kan zela ni
OP khan anak tho an tile zeu thina ma se adang du re lo man
amaro chu Mandir Singh hian น่าจูตีอาเจ็ดขี้ขอร์ดอุตันเนี่ย
เกมชวนอินไอ้เวงเดียวอันนักโทษเวงเดียวเล็กนี่
เวงเราเท่เราอาจารย์จะโทษที่บัวก็ตั้งโมนักไอ้
จานี่นะเฮียนินไอ้พรีดิกเวลชินังอะนกเอากันบุเล่ไม่ยังเอ็มตีอะไรเดี๋ยวเร็วอินกันเสีย
เราเรียกเขลตัวเนี่ยเราทุ่มจีนนี่โอ้ตีตัวบางไงตัด
โอ้กันใส่สวนเราทิ้ง
ใส่สวนเราตัดเสียไป
โอ้แต่นี่แบบฟาดลมเปลี่ยนน็อกเอาท์
เทคนิคน็อกเอาท์
โอ้เทคนิคน็อกเอาท์ตัวนี้เลยตัดจานินจูโซลนี่ไงที่โดนเงี้ยโซลนี่ฮันนินที่เอ็มก็จูมอยเจนหลังเรามารอจูกันพรีดิกฟูเทเลยไหมฟาดลมเปลี่ยนเฟนสเตลมาบานันพาระกันแล้วชัดเจียฮีทีนี้ผมตะกันบานันพาระจานินเกมหูนมตะกันหัวชุดที่รัวชวนินManinder Singh boxer chatak mai Punjab boxer chatak mai Vanlalawmpuia kutum kha a dol zo lo ning kan sia amaro chu comeback om thei boxing a hi chuan chaklo vai khat ringot hi chu thil ho mai ni ti mai teng mo a comeback thei don next a jon ron comeback helet ngei turin du sak na te po kan lan na la chu ti rol chuanin Vanlalawmpuia du sak na kan lan bok ani Mataya Hansoi Velela.
So now, about this fight, not only this fight, all over the fight tonight.
Yeah.
We are not impressed.
Okay.
We are not impressed, but our production is 100%. So that all Mizo boxers are good in all over the country.
Yeah.
Do you think that? Yes. Okay. Okay. Vanlalawmpuia. Make his record a good at and now 14 wins and 3 losses and 1 draw and 9 knockout.
Kan so ichun zom vele lo kanga zanina kan boxer atam jok ten bets dum anun bel na chan kha asuna kan nei tong khan coach Andrew Anupui Pizui August ni somni pali sangni somni panga boral ta sia jingna ta na anron tiani tia kha coach Andrew anron sun puani ti kha kan soi vele dua ti chuanin result kha chu kan seto rualin zanina Maninder Singh kan tor pui rualin Vanlalawmpuia kan lompui hleni ti kha kan soi vele du ani tuna hianin fight pakhat che kan mabak to fight mu nom tak mai Mazhar Hussain le Laldin Sanga tano in noi vele dona Mazhar Hussain hi Kolkata boxer ni in Laldin Sanga hi lunglei boxer ani vele thunga zanina hianin ato ber ano in noi doni ti khakan sai vele athir tu te min lo kalsan lo ula mi lo en sak zelula ti khakan sai vele dua life zanina an pek chuana hi I do play ani ti kha shele bokila install chur thenia I do play hianin movie
the result for bout number 14
live
of battle in Mizoram Super Fighter Series number 5 in the third round 2 minutes and 30 seconds by means of technical knockout. The winner is red corner Vanlalawmpuia. Congratulations, one again for Vanlalawmpuia. Zona pakhat kan zot ang adudu asoy bokanga tun in fight turhen engang chin ngain buat saya tin he in naka hian chak in base regem ti le idudu soy turin kan sobot se
kalome ye tun fight turata hian in sete boxing academy mission fenga kain buat saya chuanin hemi fight kama chondo ha ka opponent tur hi ka ena YouTube ate karina in apowar kha tha ane tam tak kha knockout in achak tamzo ka chu wa jom power an lei that em awangi kan coach de bula po ka soya film crew rang ai zia ve ka shira ti jong coach ten eta sete boxing academy a coach Andrew le coach Monte an that takin plan min siam puya training min pe a an ni zara tun kai fight hi in ring tok takin karon khel thea chak in base in an ni zara le pathian zara karon ding chuak ani ti chuan hetiang fight hetiang tun hun ka then the na hi pathian wang ania pathian chunga long thu ka soya chuan ka boxing career tran tir atanga professional ka lu tran tir te atanga tun thenga min rual min en kol tu se te boxing academy chung ko te chunga kalom tak zet bokani chuanin tuna hian keile ka thian te zo te ga din sang a deu te kha Grassroot Boxing promotion a contract kan neya tuna hian Grassroot le Crown Boxing trong kop chuan thei top min chu puya Mizo boxer te hian base na sang tak Grassroot le Crown Boxing promotion te hian base na sang tak an neya chumi ti hlot ling tu chuan helai mun a point son ron siama Mizo mi puiten boxer te min support zia an mu hian an ni po an phur le zual ka ringa chu wang chuanin khongai takin Mizo mi pui zong zong te ke ni boxer te min support a miron troi om zeu turin ka somin ka ngen tak meu chewa in chunga thilung takin lom thu ka soi bok ani chuanin tuna hianin Vanlalawmpuia khuang thing pa ti khan min sa thina khuang thing khuwa ka nia ka pian le ka sei le na nia amai ro chu tuna chuanin nupui fanau te nein college venga ka pem ve to a khuang thing hi ka tha tham don chuang lo amai ro chu tuna chuan khuang thing ta khan thei top ka lo chu thina chu tiang chia chuanin college veng ming ti thatu hian ka thei top ka chu zel bok doi ni chuan kan kal le keile ka thian te boxer kan nau kan thang thar le zual tur zok te ke ni ai nau pang zok te an local chho zel tura base na sang ta kan nei theinan Mizo mi puiten khongai taka boxer te min support a min troyom zel turin ti tak mewin ka som non le boka cheu kalome
anu pui ngam lo wanga khuang thing phat san kha di lova college venga hena cheng ve shim shim ani mi pui te tan na sa takin kunin be lok te opi tan